everyone, this is Julia Jones from PuroClean of Bradenton. We're PuroClean, your go-to paramedics of property damage. Here's a fun fact for you today. Did you know our vehicles are all equipped with GPS cameras? Why does that matter? Well, because it allows us to track our team in real time and dispatch them swiftly to your location of your emergency. PuroClean's cutting-edge technology keeps our water emergency response time to under an hour. So in the unfortunate event that you're facing a water damage emergency, remember PuroClean. With our unmatched response time, you can always count on us to be there when you need us most. Trust PuroClean, the paramedics of property damage. We're fast meets efficient. This is Julia Jones, and thank you for tuning in for today's fun fact.